doing for 2 seconds. Seriously, you have to hear this. I know we're super busy right now, but I literally cannot keep this story to myself. It's about my friend, Chloe, who works at a huge tech company. And I'm telling you, it's the scariest thing I have ever heard. Seriously, put your phone down, or maybe don't, because this is exactly why you need to listen. Grab a coffee, everyone, and just pay attention. My friend is a coder, and she works at a big tech firm downtown, where they design the viral Instagram and TikTok filters. She called me last week around 3 a.m., and she was whispering. At first, I thought her car had been towed or something, but no, it was way worse. So they had just released a new augmented reality, AR, filter called the Mirror. The whole idea behind it was so cool. Instead of putting dog ears on you, the AI claimed it could show you the purest version of the real you. Now, what does that even mean? Chloe said it stripped away all the noise, the fatigue, the dark circles, the dullness, and showed you what you would look like if your body was perfectly healthy, like the best version of yourself. This filter went absolutely crazy viral, you know, because it wasn't just editing. It was supposed to be optimizing people's reality. But about a week after it launched, the reports started coming in. Not the normal, the code is glitching kind of reports. No, people on Reddit and Twitter started posting that the filter was showing things that were actually in the room. At first, it was subtle stuff. One guy swore the filter showed an empty cup behind him, but he was actually holding the cup. Just small, weird reality shifts. But then it got scary, you guys. All the reports started converging on one thing. The filter was showing SHADOWS, not normal shadows, but vague, almost human-like figures, standing in the dark corners of the room. They were only visible when the camera was in the mirror filter mode. Chloe, being the lead on the project, was forced to find this glitch. She stayed late one night after everyone else had left the huge, dark office. To track the error, she had to try the filter on her own phone camera. She said that at first, everything was fine. Then she saw the spot. A patch of absolute blackness right in the corner of the frame, near her shoulder. When she moved her head, that black spot stayed at the same distance, fixed in the frame. That's when she realized this wasn't a bug. This was a feature that was slowly starting to reveal itself. The black smudge started to move. Slowly, so slowly, it started to take shape, turning into something with a human arm and hand. Then that black arm lifted up in the camera's view, right behind Chloe, and it started writing on the wall behind her. Chloe swears the office wall was white and clean, but in the phone's picture, the shadow was sketching with its finger through dust and soot. She was frozen stiff. She couldn't breathe. It wrote some stuff in an ancient, spiky language. And then it wiped its finger clean and started drawing a simple picture. A key. A very old-looking key with a huge head and strange, almost skeletal teeth. The second the key was drawn, the filter crashed, the screen went black, and her phone got so hot it nearly burned her hand before it finally rebooted. They immediately deleted the filter from the servers. The company announced it was a severe hardware compatibility issue, but Chloe told me that when she finally turned on the office lights, the entire room smelled like dirt. Old and damp dirt. And last week, she found an old brass key tucked deep inside her drawer. The exact key the shadow had drawn. Chloe believes that filter wasn't supposed to show the pure version of ourselves. It was supposed to show the things that have been erased from reality. And whatever door that key opens, maybe it's supposed to stay shut forever. So the next time you're scrolling through filters and you see one that promises to show you a better version of yourself, just make sure you check your background first, okay? Because sometimes the digital world only shows you the darkness you're standing right next to. I hope you enjoyed watching the creation stages of this mask. Performing arts. You don't need to do anything difficult to create your dreams or nightmares. Just go step by step and let the process show you the way. All the other tips are covered in the previous videos, but anytime you need help or have a question, feel free to comment right here, and I'll answer immediately. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. Please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have any similar experiences, let me know in the comments below.